tonight. King's Corsi is calling. Come feel that room to breathe. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a half bath made with ease. 2,903 square feet. Let the good times roll. Big, bright spaces, big, rock hard, and a place to call your own. David Garcia team, turn it up and see. This outside home is singing possibility. Vaulted living open to the kitchen light. Tile floor shining, fireplace warm at night. Granite breakfast bar where the stories start. Santa rider ready with a Pepsi card. Stainless double oven, pantry tucked away. Dinner plans get louder in the best kind of way. Arched and trees, chandelier glow. Formal dining ready for the friends you know. Woo! King's Coffee is calling. Come feel that room to breathe. Prime every down, yes, sweet down. Flexible as can be. To live in areas that the everyday flow. Work, host, rest, play, let your lifestyle grow. David Garcia team, turn it up and see. This outside home is seeing your possibility. French doors open to an office or den. Hardwood warmth says begin again. Tray ceiling primer calm at the end of day. 2 walk-in closets keep the clutter away. Granite double vanities, jet to tub clean. Custom tile range, showers, 5-day dreams. Upstairs bathrooms with a full bath near. Space for guests, hobbies, or a study zone here. Covered back patio in the afternoon breeze. Large fence yard with green grass and trees. Pool-sized games on a point-to-acre lot. Mature landscaping gives the whole scene alive. Built in 2011 with comfort in mind. 2 HVAC systems keep the climate refined. Morello's Cafe, better winds Memorial too. Corpus Christi is this surrounding you. Woo! King's calling, is calling. Come feel that room to breathe. Stone, stucco, granite shine, and a floor plan built to please. Shopping, dining, medical care close by. Peaceful neighborhood under a Texas sky. David Garcia, turn it up and see. This outside home is seeing possibility. Just like clothes on a front yard seat. 2-story beauty, polished and key. Turn the key, let the next chapter start. A rock solid home with a wide open heart.